Hello everyone. Before we start our lesson today, let's do a simple revision of the previous class. What is meant by periodic table of the element? Periodic table of elements classifies known chemical elements in a table according to certain characteristics. There are 6 scientists who explore the elements to form and organize the periodic table of elements, namely Antoine Lavoisier, Johann W. Dobereiner, John Newlands, Lothar Meyer, Dmitri Mendeleev, and Henry Moseley. The periodic table that we use to this day was created by Dmitri Mendeleev in the middle of the 19th century. The periodic table organizes elements into vertical columns called groups based on their electron valence and horizontal rows called periods based on their number of shells filled with electrons. In this lesson, we will learn about the element in Group 18, their properties and their uses. Group 18 consists of element of helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon, and also known as noble gases. It can be found at the far right column of the periodic table. The elements in Group 18 have 8 valence electrons, except for helium. This gives them a stable octet configuration, except for helium, which has a duplet configuration, so they cannot donate, accept, or share electrons with the atoms of the other elements. Hence, noble gases are chemically unreactive. Group 18 elements are also known as noble gases because they are very stable and unreactive. Let's take a look at some of their common physical properties. All noble gases are monoatomic, which means they exist as single atoms. They are colorless, odorless, and tasteless gases at room temperature and pressure. All noble gases have very low melting and boiling points because they have weak interatomic forces called van der Waals forces. These forces depend on the size of the atoms, so they increase as the atomic radius increases. Therefore, the melting and boiling points of noble gases increase when going down the group. All noble gases have very low densities because they have small atomic masses and large atomic volumes. The densities of noble gases increase when going down the group as the atomic masses increase more than the atomic volumes. All noble gases are sparingly soluble in water because they have low polarity and low intermolecular forces. The solubility of noble gases decreases when going down the group as the atomic sizes increase and the polarity decreases. All noble gases are poor conductors of heat and electricity because they have no free electrons to carry the heat or electric current. They also have low thermal capacities, which means they can store only a small amount of heat energy. These are some of the physical properties of Group 18 elements that make them unique and useful for various applications. The use of Group 18 elements in daily life. Group 18 elements in the periodic table, also known as the noble gases, include helium, He, neon, Ne, argon, R, krypton, Kr, xenon, Xe, and radon, Rn. Helium, He, balloons and airships. Helium is commonly used to fill balloons for celebrations and events due to its low density and non-flammability. Neon, Ni. Neon signs. Neon gas is used in neon signs, producing the characteristic bright and colorful glow when an electrical current is applied. Argon, R. Welding. Argon is commonly used as a shielding gas in welding processes, particularly for metals like aluminum. Krypton, Kr, and xenon, Xa. Lasers. Krypton and xenon are used in gas lasers for various applications, including medical procedures and research. Radon, Ren. Radiotherapy. Radon has been used in some cancer treatments, although its use has decreased due to its radioactive nature and the availability of safer alternatives.